Nine-a-side footy is a sport based on Australian rules football played informally by Aussie Rules clubs but not yet an official sport in its own right. Nine-a-side games are sometimes played on half-size fields that are typically rectangular or more commonly rugby fields, with 9 players on the field at any one time, typically consisting of 3 forwards, 3 backs and 3 centre players. Often 2 games are played at the same time on a single Australian rules cricket pitch. Other times, nine-a-side makes use of the full space of the field when a full complement of players is not available. This variety is a more open, running variety of Australian rules. The following rules apply in nine-a-side football as played by Aussie Rules UK. Up to 9 players on each team, with 3 players each designated as forwards, centres and backs. After each goal the players must be in the respective third of the pitch but may rove freely after the ball up. Goals and behinds may only be scored from within the forward zone. Players may bounce the ball only once before disposing of it. If the ball goes out of play, the nearest opponent shall kick the ball back into play. All other rules remain unchanged. www.9asidefootball.com. Advantages. Australians rules football has struggled to develop outside of Australia, partly because the game is highly resource-intensive. A game requires the use of a large cricket oval, many players and several officials. The adaptation of the game to rugby fields requires far fewer players and a pitch that is more readily available, and as a result, many more people are being introduced to the game outside of Australia. Nine-a-side football leagues and tournaments. Examples of official tournaments held under these rules include the EU Cup, Bali Nines, Aussie Rules UK National League and India. www.9asidefootball.com. Existing formats. Rec footy, sanctioned by the Australian Football League, is the non-contact game. Touch Aussie Rules, sanctioned by Aussie Rules UK, is the non-contact game played in the UK. Metro footy is a nine-a-side game played on gridiron fields in the United States.